Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Happy Saturday and welcome to day one of Christmas crafting on Antonio Makes channel. Hence why you see a lovely summer hat ready for my summer holidays in Hawaii. Hope you like it. I'm dreading at taking it off because I don't know what my hair is going to look like, but never mind, I'm at home. So today, extra Saturday video in collaboration with Rose from Journals in Time. We challenge each other to make some Christmas cards. All explained in the video. Keep watching, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, so super exciting. So I went on Instagram and this is what I love about social media. So when you browse on Instagram, and I do prefer Instagram over Pinterest, because with Instagram the algorithm is so random, so you can just type in things and then Instagram will suggest related content to what you search. So really good platform. So I really recommend it. If you're not in there, it's really worth it to download on your phone. It's totally free. You get lots of tons of inspiration. So as I was browsing, I came across a post from this lovely lady and I said, oh, that looks fabulous. I clicked on it and it says Journals in Time. That's the name of Rose, lovely lady. She has a Etsy shop. She produced digital kits like myself. So I bumped into her Instagram, followed her straight away, dropped her a text. I said, oh my God, Rose, I absolutely love your Instagram, love what you make, and asked her to do a collaboration. So we challenged each other. She sent me her kit, which is this one. I send her mine. And we challenge each other to do Christmas cards. And the reason why it's a challenge, because Rose don't really do Christmas cards. And it's so funny because all the creators I follow that make junk journals, they don't like to make Christmas cards. They don't like make greetings cards. And I found that so fascinating. So I was like, yes, so that is a challenge then, Rose. Get yourself together and get some Christmas cards done. So, and one thing I want to share on this video as well is that you can use digital kit, not just for junk journal. Although my purpose of the kit is to create, in fact, this one here is a Christmas junk journal kit. So it's been designed to create journaling, but as I showed you now, you can make greetings card, you can make postcard, you can make cover notebooks, you can make a little embellishment, you can make gift card. So, and this is the reason why I do love digital kit over normal paper. And I shared a comment on the screen now from the lovely Anne. Anne hasn't got a YouTube channel, but we keep pressing her to do one because she's so talented. And Anne left me a lovely comment, and I will put it on the screen. She asked me if my kits are coming down anytime soon. Yes, they will be removed because I will give space to the new kit. But also she said that she's now turning from buying normal paper, scrapbook paper, into digital kit for this same principle. With the digital kit, guys, you can just print off the page that you want for a specific project. I don't know about you guys, but when you buy paper for scrapbooking, if you got a paper pack, I don't know, like 20 in a big pack, personally I probably won't use 5 or 6 of them. So it's kind of like a waste of money because this paper got to be repurposed for something else. When you buy a digital kit, A, you probably ended up buying because you like most of the paper, and B, you can just print off, even if you don't like 2 pages, you can just print off the rest of them and keep it on your computer. So every time you want to, you just print that page. And that is the purpose why I designed to do my own digital kit collection, because I want you guys to have that flexibility or really investing in something, because digital kits are so much cheaper. Yes, okay, you got to be buying a printer and inks, fully aware of that, but it's one purchase that you make a front and it will be cost effective during the years. So really recommend you guys to do so. Anyway, 4 minutes and not done anything. What I wanted to show you, lovely Rose, Journals in Time. I will put all Rose. She's got an Etsy shop, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm not sure she's on TikTok, but I will put all the details down below. So the info box, you see all rows. Please go and subscribe. Just say I send you there. And if you would like to support her, please buy the kits as well. Okay, it's 20 pages. Again, I'm not going to comment one by one, but as you can see, you've got backgrounds. And this is what I mean about journaling, because that's clearly 2 separate pages. Lovely background with this lace. All this kit has got this color palette, which is turquoise, pink and red, and I love the combination. Absolutely love it. This is a plain lace background with some red on the background. Love these on the wooden palette with these cuties. This is probably one of my first favorite page with a poinsettia. That's another background. That's more like with a vintage embellishment on top. I love these. Really like this. And a little rabbit there with a boot, and then that could be nice, really nice cover for like a notebook or something. You could turn it like that as well, or like this, and that could be quite a nice page. Love this collage. And then you get lots of pages with an embellishment. So this page, you've got loads, tons of different embellishment. You've got the poinsettia, the ribbons, the bows, the tabs. Then you get the strips for your tags, the pockets, stamps, tickets. Love this, absolutely love it. Yeah, it's called Christmas Cuties Journal Kit from Journals in Time. Love that, love this embellishment. Some envelopes. And I love this because when you cut this envelope, that would be the lid of it. It's quite nice. Love that. Then you've got big envelope. Love that. Some more embellishment. Love that. A few more. I love this lace. Little cute envelope tags. Some embellishment. That's a side triangle side pocket for your journal. And that is the last with these lovely cuties. So what I have used, and let me show you. I have used all the kit, and because I'm making Christmas cards, I've got them here. I have used my own that's the leftover actually, my own sentiment. This is from my Poinsettia Galore kit. So on this kit, on the My Poinsettia kit, you get all these lovely poinsettia pages, and you've got 3 pages with the sentiment. So you get these in navy, red and cream, which I'll show you on the cards, which you can use them to make your own cards. Okay, so I have used them. So let me put this aside and let me get my cards. So I have done 2 lots. I think I got 14 pages, 14 cards, sorry. So with this kit, I printed off one of everything and I have 14 cards. So if you sell them, you already paid for the price of the kit. I have used my favorite gold wax. This is not sponsored. Nobody paid me to show you this. I don't get any money because I'm not put any links, but it's literally my favorite product ever. It's the gilding wax from Pebeo. This is the gold renaissance, and as you can see, it's almost finished. Oh, it started to rain. Brilliant. And then I treated myself to a silver version. Now, this was the first time I have used this wax. Okay, so it's brand new. It is, what's it called? Oh, silver. Simple as silver. So on Pebeo the brand, and Gideo is the collection. Okay, so you can see in there. Now, what I found straight away is that this wax, compared to the gold one, is really, is more foamy. So the gold wax is very firm. This one is very soft. So it's kind of like, you know, like a whipping cream consistency. In fact, I just don't want to, because I just clean my hands and fingers. It's very, very, very soft. This one is very firm. Now, and I don't know, it's because I used it. So because I keep opening it, so it dries out a bit. And maybe this because it's brand new and not used it, so it's still very soft. So I don't really know. And what I noticed, it takes a long time to dry. The gold one dries out straight away. The silver one didn't. it took more time. Again, I don't know if it's because the wax is new. So what I wanted to show you, that within the same kit you can get two different looks using, I have used red, my red sentiment with some gold wax, and my navy sentiment with the silver wax. I don't know what, I don't know about you guys, but it seems to, we have a rule when we make Christmas cards or any Christmas crafting, that gold goes well with red and silver goes well with blue. Not often you see that gold goes well with navy and silver that goes well with red, and it's because, of course, gold and red are warm color and silver and navy are cooler color, so naturally they pair well for that reason. So I stick to the rule, and you know me, I'm very what's the word, when you say like you are against the rule, there is a word. It will come back to me. No anarchy, because that is where you go any sort of against any. It will come back, and I'll put in a comment. So, what I was saying, yeah. So two different looks: red and gold, and silver and navy. And as you can see, I have used the background and then the embellishment from the kit. So this is one. They're super simple, and the reason why I left it super simple is because it's all about the paper. And this is to show you guys that you don't need fancy equipment to make Christmas cards, and that's probably why you find them overwhelming to make. But you can make, like, I mean, look at this, it's so simple. It's one of the background paper and then one of the embellishment, simple as, and you can just put a little Merry Christmas. This here, that's the cream I was saying to you. So I've got cream, red and navy. So that's my sentiment from my poinsettia kit. Look, I just used the background and some embellishment, distress everything in gold, and look at it. I use square cards because I have loads of them. They're super, honestly guys, they're so simple. I mean, can you be any simpler than that? But look how effective it is. And I don't know what you can see on your camera, but it shines. So cute. Put some greetings, because it's all about the picture. You don't need fancy embellishment and over decorate them. So look at the paper, so beautiful. Look at that, so beautiful. Again, it's just that with the Merry Christmas. As simple as, guys, it's simple as. So that's the red and gold, okay, and the cream, of course. And then I will show you now the navy and silver. Let me know which one you prefer. I do like the navy and silver. I'm very traditional, so I like gold and red for Christmas, but just to try it out and do something a bit different. So again, because the navy and the blue, part of the same palette, I think could go really well together. Then this one here with greetings, that one, that's very similar to that. But again, if you do craft to sell it and you make a bunch, I don't know, you can sell this 10 cards and you already pay for the price of the kit and for your ink, and off you go. And then this is with the collage paper, and I just put the embellishment, and that is simple as that, and a little sentiment. Okay, so you can see, guys, that you can make how many? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I made 14 cards in what? Probably about half an hour. But I was watching a video in the background, and I wasn't really concentrated, so I could probably make this in 20 minutes. And yeah, you can sell them, pay yourself, pay the kit, and you make a profit. Okay, right guys, don't forget to check out Rose's account. She's on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course, please check out her Etsy shop. I will put all the link down below, and check out my poinsettia kit if you need some sentiment for your Christmas cards. I hope I gave you some ideas today, guys. Happy Saturday special video. I mentioned that on Friday video from yesterday, so there you go, a nice collaboration. Right guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Happy Saturday, and until Monday, stay safe and well.